Hello friends, now we will discuss preparation of ethyl alcohol from molasses. So molasses means it's a dark brown colored syrup liquid which is obtained during the preparation of sugar from sugarcane juice. So now we will see definition of molasses. So molasses is a dark colored syrup liquid which is left after the crystallization of sugar from concentrated sugarcane juice. So molasses is a dark colored syrup liquid which is obtained during the preparation of sugar from concentrated sugarcane juice. So now we will see preparation of ethyl alcohol. So here this preparation of ethyl alcohol mainly involves 5 steps. In that, first one is dilution. So dilution means first we will take molasses. So this molasses which will be diluted using water, so that concentration will be reduced about 8 to 10%. So now second step is addition of salt and acidification. So to this diluted molasses we will add either ammonium sulfate or ammonium phosphate. So this will be act as a food for yeast. So main purpose of addition of salt is which will be act as a food for yeast. So here we are adding either ammonium sulfate or ammonium phosphate. So then acidification. So second step, second part is acidification. Acidification means we are adding acid. So here we are adding dilute sulfuric acid. So here we are adding dilute sulfuric acid. So dilute sulfuric acid which will prevent the growth of undesirable bacteria. So next third step is fermentation. So in the fermentation, diluted molasses solution which will be taken in the large fermentation tank. To this large fermentation tank, first we will add dilute molasses. After this we will add some yeast to this large fermentation tank, and this fermentation tank is maintained at 30 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 days. So during this period, enzymes present in the yeast which will bring about the fermentation, that is mainly two enzymes are participating. One is invertase and another one is zymase. So here enzyme invertase, which will catalyze the hydrolysis of sucrose. So here sucrose which will give sucrose upon hydrolysis, it will give glucose and fructose as a product. So sucrose chemical formula C12H22O11, water, invertase, in presence of invertase which will give glucose and fructose as a product. So next second one, enzyme zymase. So enzyme zymase which will catalyze the conversion of glucose and fructose into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. So either glucose and fructose, in presence of enzymes it will give ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH, and carbon dioxide, CO2. The fermented liquid is technically called wash. So the liquid which is present in the fermentation tank is there, no? That liquid is, we will call it as wash, which contain 10 to 15% of alcohol. So next one, fourth step is fractional distillation. So next wash is subjected to fractional distillation to get rectified spirit. So rectified spirit is contain 95.5% alcohol and 4.5% water. And last step is preparation of absolute alcohol. So absolute alcohol which will be obtained from rectified spirit using calculated quantity of benzene. So now we will see the summary of preparation of ethyl alcohol from molasses. In that, first one is dilution. So in dilution first we will take molasses. To this molasses we are adding water, so that concentration of sugar is reduced about 10%. So second step is addition of salt. So here we are adding ammonium sulfate or ammonium phosphate which will be act as a food for yeast, and Next we will do acidification. So in case acidification, we will add dilute sulfuric acid, which will prevent the growth of undesirable bacteria. So next, third step is fermentation. So next, diluted molasses, which will be taken in a large fermentation tank. To this we will add yeast. So next, the temperature we will maintain 30 degrees Celsius temperature for 2 to 3 days. During this period, two enzymes are mainly participate in the fermentation. They are invertase and zymase. So invertase, which will give hydrolysis of sucrose, and zymase, which will convert glucose or fructose into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. And next, fourth step is fractional distillation. In fractional distillation, we will take wash. Wash means the fermentation tank liquid, that is called wash. We take wash, and at the end we will get a rectified spirit. So next, preparation of absolute alcohol. We will take rectified spirit. This will react with the benzene, and finally we will get absolute alcohol as a product. So thank you for watching.